X330, X5, and X7. So let's say you are out and about, driving into small parking lots, and you find yourself driving into something that you really don't want to drive back out of. BMW has you covered. To activate the new backup assist, all you have to do is put the vehicle in reverse, press the backup assistant on your iDrive or display, and then from there the vehicle will take control of the steering input. All you have to do is the brake and throttle. The vehicle will display how many feet you have left, that it will auto reverse, and that is shown right here on your iDrive. So right now we have 142 feet left. Down to having 10 feet left, the car will give a little chime to let you know, and then it'll do a longer chime once you reach 0 feet.